Well, I promised you tabs, didn't I? To add tabs to this view, we need to reference it from the React module over here. We're going to use a state variable called selectedTab to keep track of selected tabs. We specify a default value of feed, which will be the first tab, the other will be the search tab. Now we can reference the tab bar control from the JSX in the render function. We hook it up with the container style, which should work fine for our tab control. For each tab that we want in our tab control, we use the tabbar.item component. We specify a title of feed. This title will be displayed on the tab. To control whether the tab is selected, we specify a selected property, and in here we add some logic that will return true if the selected tab state variable equals feed, which it does by default. We add an icon property. This works exactly like the source property on the image component. We type out require and require an image for the icon with the word index, followed by an exclamation, followed by the name of the image in the project bundle. In this case, the inbox image. We imported all our images in an earlier module while laying out the login screen. That's why I can expect the inbox icon to be part of the bundle. Now let's add some logic for the press event of this tab. Because this logic is so simple, I'm opting to use an anonymous function instead of defining a function on the class. All we do in here is set the selected tab state variable to feed. We should close off this tab bar item now. But what should the tab bar display? For now, let's add a text component in here using the welcome styling we used earlier. For its text, we specify tab1. When we save that out, great, our tab is displaying. This one tab looks a bit lonely, so let's give it a friend. For the second tab, we duplicate this first one here. This tab will be the search tab, so we change the title to search, the selected tab state to search, and even the icon is changed to search. For its text, we specify tab2, so that we can differentiate between the two tabs later on. Okay, when we run that, it works. We've got our two tabs in here and we can switch between the two.